A very favorite way for me to start all my sushi meals, and we know I love sushi, is with Sunomono, which is a cucumber salad. And it's really easy to make. I'm going to show you how to do it. But first, you need a mandolin, unless you've got better knife skills than me, because I certainly can't cut anything that looks like that. But with a mandolin, it's easy. You can get them. This is a great one from OXO. This is the one from Kyocera. Make sure with your mandolin that you get one that can adjust thickness, because this actually is a number 4 on the Kyocera. It will actually cut thinner than this, down to paper thin. But you want to be able to eat it, chew it, and know you've got something there, something on your fork. So it looks like this. This is on the number 4. Be very careful. They are incredibly sharp. And you just slide it along like that, and you come up with all these beautiful cucumber rounds. Then rice vinegar, which I have from Japan. I love this one. It's very cool. And this is really all to taste. So I'm just going to pour some in here. And then a touch of soy. And I'm going to do something I'm not supposed to do, stick my finger in it, because it's all to taste. Stir it up a little bit. Don't do this. Well, in your own kitchen. Yes. Just going to pour it over the cucumbers. Very simple. Mix it all up. Find a really pretty bowl that you want to put it in. Don't forget, on your travels, find it. I got this in Savannah, and these are from Sicily. So fun, so cute. Always be on the lookout for great little serving pieces. And then I'm just going to put it all into this beautiful bowl. Just like that. You saw how easy this is. So pretty when the colors come out like that. I toasted some sesame earlier. Sprinkle. And then I like to add a little bit of the scallion tops, the little bit of the green onion, for color and flavor, because I like that little onion bit. And that's how fast that happens. Your own version of Sunomono to your taste.